Hi, second graders. We're going to do arrays again today, and today we're going to write number sentences for them. I want to remind you that the first number we always do is the rows, and the second number we always do is the columns. We're going to look at this array right here. How many rows are there? There are 2 rows. Remember, rows are the horizontal tiles. There are 2 rows of horizontal tiles. And now we're going to look at the columns. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So we're going to call that a 2 by 4 array. And if I write a number sentence for it, I would say 2 times 4 equals 8. There are 8 tiles in there. 2 times 4 equals 8. Isn't that cool? Let's do the next one. Okay, how many rows does this one have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. And how many columns? Remember, those are the vertical ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 5 by 4 array, and if we write a number sentence to find out how many tiles there are altogether, we would say 5 times 4 equals 20. Do you get it? Let's do the next one. Okay, how many rows are there? 1, 2 rows by 1, 2, 3 columns. That's a 2 by 3 array. And if we want to write a number sentence for the number of tiles altogether, we would say it's 2 times 3 equals 6. Here's the easy one. 2 rows and 2 columns, a 2 by 2 array. To find out how many tiles there are, we would just say 2 times 2 equals 4. That's easy, right? Let's do this one. How many rows are there? 3 rows and 2 columns. It's a 3 by 2 array. To count the tiles, we would say 3 times 2 equals 6. Right here. Oops, I gotta write it. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now I've got one more. This one right here, this one's tricky. 1 row and 5 columns. 1 row and 5 columns. That's a 1 by 5 array. And if we want to find out how many tiles there are, we would say 1 times 5 equals 5. Okay? That's how you write number sentences for arrays. Remember, we do the rows first and then the columns. Have fun. Bye.